G'day guys, you might Aries Tao here. Welcome to the Godox Basic Lighting 101. Today I'm going to share some tips using AK-R21 kit. The most common use of it is project the image on the wall as well as the model. This method is the simplest and it works for lots of people. Personally, I would like a bit of separation. I will use one AK-R21 for the wall and I use another AK-R21 for the person. And then I realized she's lack of shadow details. Of course, I managed to kill all the ambient lights, so I use another fill light to fill in her details. I add a cyan gel to add the coldness to mimic the ambient light in the space. Tip 2. As you guys may or may not notice, AK-R21 works with Gobo. I cut my S30 Gobo to fit into it, as you guys can see. It comes with some vignette, but comparing the size, the mobility, and also the price with those bigger projectors, I feel like it's worth it. And here we go. You can use different Gobos, right? Some of them will be nicer for headshots, some of them will be nicer for full body. Of course, if you want portrait look, or if you want dramatic look, one AK-R1 will do it. If you want those econ look, you can add a fill light for the shadow details of the clothes, right? And of course, you can combine the Gobo with a film or with the color gel in this scenario. And here we go. For you guys who may or may not notice, AK-R21 is a very small light source with sharp edges. It comes with a sharp edge, even comparing with grid or snood. You can play around with this feature a lot. Lots of time I don't even use Gobo or film. I just use sticky tape, create a random shape, in this case a triangle. You can have lots of fun with it. And here we go. For you guys who look into AK-R21 does come with different lenses. 83 will be ideal for close-up or chest-up sort of detail shots. 50 is more ideal for background projection. And if you want an all-arounder, 65 is perfect for it. Here is my 3 tips of the ways playing around with the AK-R21. Number 1 will be use film with it. Number 2 will be use Gobo with it. Number 3 will be create your own geometric shape. Because AK-R21 is a flash projector, it does take some time to set up, especially try to get the focus in the right place. If you guys need mobility, if you're a run and gun kind of shooter, or you just want to save the bang for your bucks, AK-R21 is perfect comparing with those large optical projectors for LED light sources. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is your mate Aries Tao. I will see you in the next video.